In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve exercise number 1.1, question number 6, that is most relevant for paper's point of view. So let's start. Simplify by justifying each step. Part number 1, that is 4 plus 16x divided by 4. So taking common 1 divided by 4 into 4 plus 16x. So take common multiplying 1 divided by 4 by each term, that is 1 divided by 4 multiply 4 plus 1 divided by 4 multiply 16x. So 1 divided by 4 dot 4 plus 4 times 16 plus 4x. So 4 cancel, 1 equal to 1 plus 4x, which is the required solution. Next part number 2, 1 divide 4 plus 1 divide 5 divide 1 divide 4 minus 1 divide 5. So first question as it is. So 1 divide 4 plus 1 divide 5 whole 1 divide 4 minus 1 divide 5 into 1. So 1 is the multiplicative identity. So LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. So 20 divide 20, so 20 dot 1 divided by 20, dot 1 divided by 20. So multiplicative inverse of 1 is 20 dot 1 divided by 20. So multiplying numerator and denominator by 20. So 1 divide 4 plus 1 divide 5 into 20 divided by 1 divide 4 minus 1 divide 5 into 20. So 1 divide 4 multiply 20 plus 1 divide 5 multiply 20. Denominator, that is 1 divided by 4 multiply 20 plus 1 divided by 5 multiply 20. 4 5 20 can also be written in the form of 4 multiply 5, 4 5 times 20. So 1 divide 4 dot 4 into 5 plus 1 divided by 5 dot 5 into 4 divided by 1 divide 4 dot 4. Second, that is 1 divide 5 dot 5 dot 4. So next 1 divide 4 dot 4 is the multiplicative inverse of 1 divide 4. So equal to 1 multiply 5 plus 5 multiply 1 divide 5 equal to 1 dot 4 divided by 1 divide 4 multiply 4 is equal to 1. So 1 multiply 5 plus minus minus. So 1 divide 5 multiply 5 equal to 1 multiply 4. So 5 plus 4 divided by 5 minus 4. Next 5 plus 4 is equal to 9 divided by 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So which is the required solution. Next part number 3, that is a divide b plus c divided by d whole divided by a divide b minus c divide d. So 1 is the multiplicative identity. LCM of LCM is BD. So BD dot 1 divided by BD. BD is the multiplicative inverse of 1 divided by BD. So next, multiplying above fraction and below fractions, LCM, that is BD. So A divide B dot BD plus C divided by D dot BD divided by A divided by B dot BD minus C divided by D dot BD. So B 1 divide B dot 1 B into AD plus C divide D dot AD. So next, plus C into 1 divided D dot D into B divided by A into 1 divide D is the multiplicative inverse of 1 divided by D. So next, A into B is the multiplicative inverse of 1 divided by B, that is equal to 1 dot D plus C. D is the multiplicative inverse of 1 divided D, so is equal to 1 dot B divided by A dot 1 into D minus C dot 1 into B. So AD plus BC divided by AD minus CD, which is the required solution. Next, part number 4, that is 1 divide A minus 1 divide B fraction 1 minus 1 divide A into 1 divide B. So 1 is the multiplicative inverse, so LCM of A and B is AB, so multiplicative inverse of AB is 1 divided by A. Multiplying AB above and below fraction, that is 1 divide A dot AB minus 1 divide B dot AB divided by 1 divide 1 multiply AB into AB minus 1 divide A dot 1 divide B multiply AB. So a 1 divide A dot A into B minus 1 divide B dot B into A fraction AB minus 1 divide A dot A into 1 divide B dot B. So multiplicative inverse of each number, that will be equal to 1. So 1 dot B minus 1 dot A divided by AB minus 1 dot 1. So B minus A divided by AB minus 1, which is. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.